Hi, this is Suzanne. Welcome to Sweet Tea and Whimsy. Today has been one of those days that I will not soon forget. I met someone. Not really. What I mean by meet someone is I received some pictures from someone. Presenting Emma. I met her through pictures and a video. And Emma is one of those girls that you look into her eyes and you feel like you've known her forever. Just look at that beautiful smile. Emma and her grandmother follow Sweet Tea and Whimsy and have completed some absolutely wonderful projects of their own. And sweet Emma's mother shared some pictures of those projects that she and her grandmother, Mary, have completed. So, yeah, today has been a pretty special day. Because, you see, I don't personally know Emma. I'm not even sure where Emma lives. But that's not what matters. What matters is that we are now friends and we can share through YouTube our love for arts and crafts and our creativity. So, I'm sure by the end of this video, you will love Emma as much as I do. So sit back, watch her video, and enjoy some of the projects she and her grandmother have completed together. I am sure you are like me and have thoroughly enjoyed meeting Emma and getting to see some of the special projects that Emma and her grandmother Mary have made together. If you will, please leave a comment for Emma to show her how much you've enjoyed meeting her, viewing her projects, and give her encouragement to keep using the creativity for arts and crafts that her grandmother and her mother are instilling in her. There's no telling where Emma's going to end up one day. And maybe we'll say we saw her first on Sweet Tea and Whimsy.